plant-based, non-toxic pesticides. My name is Richard Numata, and I'm from Orange County, California. I'm the founder and CEO of Biorepellent Scientific Industries. My business is creating plant-based, non-toxic pesticides. Yes, you heard correctly. Plant-based, non-toxic pesticides that outperform any chemicals or trapping systems out on the market today. I am seeking $700,000 in exchange for 5% of my company. I'm going to use that money for automating our filling systems for our products, EPA registrations for additional pests, and marketing and sales. It took 11 years to get our patents. Our products are currently being distributed to the pest control industry. I need your help to be able to get out to the public. My product represents 15 years of my life, and it's been a challenge because I'm competing against the largest pest control chemical companies in the world. $150,000 of my own money was put into this company, $300,000 from an investor, and $1,200,000 from loans. And I've been able to go through and do everything I needed to do to get EPA registrations and register our products in every state, including California. Since 2010, we have generated $3,255,066 in sales. Our product is based on the fiery sensation from chili peppers. Have you ever eaten a hot chili pepper or used Tabasco sauce? Or we're chopping up chilies and you accidentally touched your eyes? Well, that's what the rats, the birds, that's what they feel, that fiery sensation. Well, that's what we have in our products. But it's all plant-based. It's not a chemical. And that's what makes our product so great. I discovered this product while walking through the jungles of the Philippines. And we came upon a gentleman who was boiling water in a can. He put a bar of soap in and ground up chili.